Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe immediately and hit the bell button over there so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Now today is going to be a fun unpacking haul video. So I recently purchased products from Nykaa in their Republic Day sale, and I wanted to share with you what all products I got. So this is simply going to be a super fun video and I hope you enjoy it. Also, a piece of information, please do follow me on Facebook and Instagram without fail. Please show some support and love, guys. So I have this box over here which I got from Nykaa and I am so excited to be opening it. So let's go ahead and unpack this. Taking a knife. Okay. So I think I'm kind of done. I have managed opening the box at least. Now let's go ahead and see what all do I have in this box. So guys, these are basically the products that I got. I'm going to be quickly showing you everything that I've got. So the first product that I've got is this Lakme Sun Expert. This is a compact powder by Lakme. This has SPF 40. Now I actually wanted to buy this compact from a long time. I saw a couple of reviews as well, and you know, it seemed like a good idea to go ahead and buy this product. So yeah, just an addition to my kit. So this is how it looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a nice yellow box. It has a cute little mirror in it as well. So yeah, so the next product that I got over here is a illuminating highlighter by K Beauty. Now this particular highlighter has been spoken about so many times in so many videos, and I actually wanted to buy this highlighter from such a long time and I don't even know why I did not buy. But okay, finally I've got my hands on it. I'm definitely going to try out this video. I'm going to let you guys know how this one works. So let's see the packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like. Oh my god, it is so luxurious, and this has got a small little mirror which is really nice. This particular shade is Frosted Ice. Let me quickly try swatching it and and showing you guys how it is. Wow, do you guys see how amazing this is? Oh my god, I am so excited to be trying this out. Okay. Nice. I'm super happy with this purchase, but I'm definitely going to let you know how this one is going to work. So the next product that I have over here is a concealer by Maybelline. This is the Age Rewind concealer. I actually had this concealer with me, a couple of months back, and I don't know, for some reason I lost it. I think I left it in my old place where I used to live. Back in Bangalore. So this particular concealer is in the shade medium. This is actually my shade. I love this concealer. I have used it before. Guys, if you want a good under eye concealer, you can actually go for this. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a travel friendly, easy packaging. So the next product that I have with me is a strobing cream by Maybelline. This particular strobing cream is something that I wanted to try out from a long time. This is how it looks like. Now, as you all know, I love strobing creams. If you've been watching my videos, whether it's MAC Strobe cream or there's a new cream, illuminating cream by Sugar, that also is amazing. So I wanted to try out this product as well. So let's go ahead and see how this will work. I'm definitely going to be using it in one of my upcoming videos. So the next product that I have with me is this foundation by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me foundation. I love this foundation. I'm in the shade 220. Now this particular foundation is something that I've used so many times. The one that I'm using has got over. Like I've already gone with one bottle of it earlier, and then I got the smaller tube and I'm done with it as well. So I had to go ahead and get this one. If you're someone who does makeup every day, I think this is a good bet. So the next product that I have with me is a lip color. Now this is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Lip Color. I actually wanted to get some good colors, and I felt like this would be an interesting color to try because this seemed like a mix of brown and peach. Let's go ahead and swatch it and check how it is. So just watching it for you guys. This is looking a little brown on my skin tone, on my hand at least, but yeah, so this is the color, guys. Super excited to be trying this out. Let's see. So the next product that I have with me is actually a nail color, and this nail color, guys, can you see how pretty it is? It's like a nude kind of a nail color which can be worn, you know, easily for daily wear. This is by Nykaa. It's in the shade Mink Muffin. I like the Mink Muffin. Nice. So definitely this shade is something that I've been eyeing for a couple of a couple of months, but I really wanted to get it. And for some reason I was not putting it in my cart, so I thought this time I'm definitely going to go ahead and get it. I think my mom loves nail polishes, so I'm sure she's going to take this one away from me. But good purchase. So the next one, guys, is a kajal. This is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I got, this is actually the super black one. This kajal is something that I don't have. I have the other Colossal Kajal, but I think this one stays on for longer and I actually wanted to try it. Let's see how dark it is. It is really smooth and dark, guys. It's very smooth. It was like gliding on my skin. And I really hope it is long lasting, but that I'll be able to tell you only after I've tried it out. So yes, guys, the next product that I have with me is a Lakme Curling Mascara, and this particular mascara, I don't know where I'd forgotten it. Actually, I did not use it for such a long time, and now since it was on a good discount, I thought, okay, let me go ahead and get it. I actually liked this mascara the first time that I used it. This was Lakme mascara was actually the first mascara that I got. So yes, happy to get it back in my kit. The next product that I have with me is a lip balm. Now this is the Lakme Lip Love Lip Balm. This is in the shade Caramel. I actually kind of got this. I know the lip balm is good, but I kind of got it for the color. You know, sometimes you don't want to be wearing lipstick. You just want to be going with a lip balm that has like a beautiful nude tint or something. And this is a nice tint because I don't want to go for something too pink. So I think, yeah, let me go ahead and try this for the next couple of days. The next product is an eyeliner. Now this is by Lakme again. This is a new iconic eyeliner. I really wanted to get this as soon as it was launched because I do have expectations from this eyeliner. Now this is how it looks like. Let's quickly see how it glides on. Wow, guys, can you see how, oh my god, the stroke was like brilliant. I just did like one stroke. I just did one stroke and see how smoothly it got applied. I think this is going to be super easy to work with. I'm so excited now to be trying out all of these products. Yes, so the next product which I wanted to get from such a long time is this K-Beauty Loose Setting Powder. Guys, I cannot tell you how much I wanted to buy this product because everybody has been speaking about it and I'm a huge fan of the Maybelline Loose Powder. So I think this is going to be, you know, a tough competition to it. So let me quickly show you how this looks like. So this is how the packaging looks like. Pretty sleek, actually. Way more sleeker than the Maybelline one. So yeah, let me try it and let you know how this works. So the next product again is by K-Beauty. This is basically their matte blush. Now you know the blush has got launched very recently and I was like looking for some pinkish, peachish kind of a blush. And since K-Beauty had the most beautiful range of blushes, I was like, I need to get at least one of them. So basically I ended up buying one of their blushes. This particular blush is in the shade Sugar Candy. The packaging again, like the highlighter, is super pretty, and this is how the color looks like. I'm actually kind of, yeah, so it's like a perfect peachish, pinkish kind of a color. If you guys can see, I'll quickly swatch it for you. I'm just gonna try out again. Wow, the pigmentation is so good, guys. Super excited to be trying this out. I actually heard very good reviews about this blush as well. So yeah, definitely looking forward to it. Yes guys, the other product is again a kajal and this is by Lakme. I wanted to fill up my, I actually don't know why I got it. I think I got it because it was on heavy discount again. I wanted to get back the Lakme kajal and yeah, so I went ahead and got this. This is also a great kajal to be using. So the next product that I have with me is this Lakme's 9 to 5 foundation. Now for some reason I did not end up using this foundation. Guys, I don't really buy a lot of foundations for some reason. Because you know, once I use a foundation, I'm super comfortable with it. I kind of feel like, okay, let me just finish this one and then buy new. But since this particular foundation had extremely good reviews, and you know, I actually wanted to try it out genuinely. So I did go ahead and bought this foundation. Now this is in the shade neutral medium. I hope this matches my skin. I think it should. So yeah, I will let you know how this product works on me. The other product that I got is this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I actually wanted to try out this range again from a long time, and this was also on discount. So I thought, okay, let me go ahead and get, you know, my favorite shade in it. This one is in the shade Sensationally Me. So I'll just quickly swatch it for you guys and I'll show you how this looks like. So this is how it looks like, guys. This is the swatch, and I think it's a very beautiful pinkish kind of a color, pinkish brickish kind of a color. So I'm super excited to be trying this out as well. So the next product that I have over here is basically an eyeshadow. This is the Lakme Spotlight eyeshadow. Now this particular eyeshadow range had got launched very recently, and you know, for some reason I wanted a smoky eye kind of a palette. So I thought this would be a good purchase. This particular one is in the shade Smoke and Glam. So I thought, why not go ahead and try this one, because it was also on very good discount. I think I got like at 40% or something. So this is what it looks like. Just gonna quickly go ahead and show you the palette. So this is the palette, guys. You can see the colors are like dark and, you know, really nice. So let me swatch a couple of shades over here, the mattes and the glitter, and show you. Yeah. So these are the swatches. It looks like it is going to work well. But definitely I'll be able to, you know, use it, and only then I'll be able to tell you what this is going to be working like. So I like the palette. I actually got it for creating like different smoky eye looks. So hopefully this is going to work well. So the next product is actually my favorite product. This is the Master Chrome Highlighter by Maybelline. And the reason I got it is because I broke the old one and it had also kind of expired. So I had to throw it away. And I couldn't resist myself from buying this product again. Now guys, let me tell you, this is amongst like all the highlighters that I have, like all. Now current favorite is MAC Let It Glow. But this one is definitely a staple, guys. Like, you have to go ahead and get it if you are looking for a highlighter and if you're on a budget. So this is what it looks like. I'm quickly going to show you a swatch of this. Guys, like super blinding. Can you see how blinding it is? Oh my god, like amazing. I love this product, love it. Okay, so the next product that I have with me is a compact powder. This is by Fit Me. Now you guys know I love the loose powder, but I still want to go ahead and try the Fit Me compact powder. Now for some reason I never tried this product. Like, I'm not sure why. Maybe because I ended up using loose powder most of the times. But I think a compact powder sometimes is just better, you know, like, and especially when you don't want to be wearing a foundation and you want to just be giving yourself that basic coverage. So I think at that time this helps a lot. So this is what the compact powder looks like. It actually comes with a puff as well. So yeah, this one. This is in the shade 130 Buff Beige. Now the next product that I have over here is actually a set of brushes. So this one is my Bronson Professional. Now I'll tell you why I got this set of brushes, okay? So this one retails for like about 360 on Nykaa, and a lot of people are asking me that, you know, I don't want to be spending a lot on brushes, but I still want like a good brush set where, you know, I get everything. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try this, and if I think it's worth it, I'm definitely going to recommend it to you guys to be going ahead and buying this. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So it comes like this. Let me quickly go ahead and open it. is these are it. I can already see that few of the strands are coming out. I'm definitely not impressed. But even if I think 4 or 5 out of these brushes work well, right? I think they're worth buying because of the price. So the bristles look okay. They are soft. Let me go ahead and try these out, and then I'll be letting you know if it's even worth getting. So yes guys, these were the products that I got. I'm finally done with it. I think there were a lot of products that I got, but they were mostly from Lakme and Maybelline and K-Beauty. I think the reason I did that was because there was good sale going on, and I also didn't want to end up buying something high-end, because last month I had got a lot of high-end products. So yes, this was the haul guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you found this video fun and if you really like this video, then please go ahead and like, share, recommend and comment down below. And thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for watching the entire video. And that's it guys. So bye.